Hello everyone, I am Sanchita Rajdev, and in today's video I will be explaining the complete consumer court complaint process in India. Many consumer faces problems like defective products, online frauds, poor services or refund denial. But they don't know where to go or how to complain. In this video I will be explaining who can file a consumer complaint, where it can be filed, what documents are required, and how the case proceeds step by step. This guide is useful for students, consumers, and the beginners in law. Let's begin. First, let us understand who is a consumer. Under the Consumer Protection Act, a consumer is a person who buys goods or hires services for consideration, meaning payment. This includes both offline and online purchases. For example, buying a mobile phone, booking a hotel, ordering food from Swiggy or Zomato, consulting a doctor. However, if goods are purchased for resale or large commercial purpose, such persons are not considered consumer under the Act. What is Consumer Court? Consumer courts are special forums created specially to protect consumer rights. These courts were established to provide speed justice, affordable remedies, and a simple procedure. Unlike civil courts, consumer courts do not follow complex procedures, and even lawyers are not mandatory. Types of consumer courts. There are 3 levels of consumer courts in India. These are District Consumer Commission, State Consumer Commission, and National Consumer Commission. The level demands on the value of the claim, not the nature of the dispute. Jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means which court has the power to hear your complaint. Under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, District Commission handled the claims up to 50 lakhs. State Commission handles claims between 50 lakhs and 2 crores, and National Commission handles claims above 2 crores. So, choosing the correct forum is very important. Deficiency in the service. Deficiency in service means failure or shortcoming in the quality of the service promised. Examples: delay in insurance settlement, medical negligence, poor internet service, banking negligence. Even a delay cannot amount to deficiency if it is caused inconvenience. Common consumer complaints. Consumer courts deal with common daily problems such as defective goods, online frauds, misleading advertisement, delay in delivery, banking and insurance dispute. These courts are meant to protect ordinary consumers. Before filing a complaint, consumers should collect all bills, invoices, and emails. Keep the screenshots and communication records. Sending a legal notice is not mandatory, but it strengthens your case and shows good faith. Documents required. Documents are the backbone of a consumer case. Without proof, even a genuine complaint may fail. Common documents include bills and invoices, warranty cards, email and messages, copy of legal notice if sent. Filing of a consumer complaint. Earlier, consumer complaints could be filed both offline and online. However, today, consumer complaint filing has moved primarily to a digital system. Complaints are now filed through the e-Jagriti platform, which integrates online filing, tracking, and hearing. Physical filing is now minimal and largely phased out in practice. e-Jagriti platform, online filing process. To make consumer justice faster and more accessible, the government has strengthened an intricate digital platform called e-Jagriti. Through this platform, consumer can file complaints online, upload documents, pay fees digital, track the status of their cases, and even participate in proceedings online. Jagriti represents the shift towards a fully digital consumer dispute resolution mechanism. Procedure after filing complaint. Complaint is filed. Many people think the process is complicated, but it is actually very simple. Admission of complaint commission checks if complaint is valid. If satisfied, notice is issued to the opposite party. The opposite party gets the time to file a written reply. Both sides submit documents, affidavits, and proof. Hearing may be physical or online. Lawyers are not compulsory. Consumer can argue themselves. Commission passes a reasoned order. Example, if an online shopping company refuses to refund, the commission will hear both the sides and then decide whether refund or commission should be granted. The reliefs available to consumers. The Consumer Commission does not only listen to complaints, it also provides strong reliefs. Consumers can get refund of the money paid, replacement of defective goods, free repair, compensation for mental harassment, compensation for physical loss, discontinuation of unfair trade practices. Penalty on opposite side. Example, if a hospital provides negligent service causing harm, it can order heavy compensation for medical negligence. Appeal against Consumer Court. If any party is not satisfied with the order of Consumer Commission, the law provides a right to appeal. First district, then state commission within 30 days. From state commission to national commission. From national commission to Supreme Court. Appeal must be filed within the prescribed time limit, otherwise delay must be justified. To conclude, consumer courts plays a vital role in protecting consumer from unfair practices. Awareness of consumer right is essential. Justice should not be expensive or complicated, and consumer courts ensure exactly that. Thank you for watching.